again. Show it again. We're fundraising for reunion of class of 2003-2009. What schools?
All
of these
PG
schools?
County.
All PG County? What are we, millennials? Are we millennials?
Yes, girl.
Brittany, what class are you? Oh, 6 Ah! What class are you? 11.
Yeah.
08, y'all. 08. Destiny, what class are you?
2005.
Oh! What class are you? 06. What school? Oxon Hill. Okay. What class are you? 06. What school? Okay, Oxon Hill. There's a lot of Oxon Hill in here. Everybody still look good? What class are you? 06. 06. Y'all old. What class are you?
07
Okay, all of y'all from Oxon Hill. Let me see the nails. Ooh, so cutie. What year are you?
02.
02? Ooh, you old. Oh. Oh. Y'all hear the go-go?
30 years.
It's kind of loud, but you hear the go-go? What year were you graduated? 06. What school? Oxon Hill. Oh, y'all from Oxon Hill? Cheers. Oh, yeah, put it together. Okay. Support you guys. Cheers, Mercedes. Cheers, babe. Cheers. You drink the rest. I want to take half. Shot time. Cheers, Brittany. Millennials. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers, babe. Cheers.
I've already drunk it twice.
Here, Connie. I don't like drinking.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, mommy. Yeah.
She tried to throw it.
Hey, don't even tell little. What year were you? What school? Oxon Hill. Oh, yeah, Oxon Hill. What year were you? 06. What school? Okay, let me see the nails. They look cutie. They was blinking. Ooh, cutie. And what year were you? 06. You look like a baby. What school? Oxon Hill. That's so cute. You 06? Nah, man. You like 1999. What school? Oxon Hill too? Okay, Oxon Hill. What year are you? 06 too? All of y'all 06. All right, bowling time, guys. What year are you? 06 too? Everybody 06. These all your friends? Yeah. It's all. It did nothing. What year were you?
I didn't go to school. I was Flowers, but I was 09.
Flowers. Oh, y'all Palm Squad was real good. What year were you?
Actually, I'm from DC. I'm not a measly.
Ooh.